Well, today I got to move some stuff off the grass. So I'll start with this trailer here. I have to move the car trailer too, our dog's Jeep. I got to get this irrigated. This part right here is really getting dry. It's mainly weeds, but it's better than nothing because as soon as winter hits, it starts raining and it's just mud, and then animals track it everywhere, and people that can't stay in the lane will track it. So weeds are better than nothing. Alright, next, car trailer. These days we'll have a better place to park this. It's easier to get in and out with the truck. But it'll be here for now. And now I'll start moving some chips. Fill in the holes here. I put some chips down and got some holes because that stuff wouldn't spread out very good. So hopefully this will spread out enough to fill holes up. And tractor way so I can change the water. Anyway, this is all I'm going to do today for is moving wood chips. Quite a bit done. It's 87 degrees, so it's kind of warm out here, which I don't mind too much. I added some more chips to this lane right up here. Kind of low, so it'll be better when they smooth out. And I spread them across this here, trying to fill the holes I had. The other stuff didn't spread as well. The main thing I did today is add more to this lane right here, built it up. Make it a little bit taller. It's not quite even. Some of the stuff, there's a lot of leaves in it, so I have to degrade a little bit before I can smooth it out. And the goats are eating the stuff. Anyway, got quite a bit done today.